Very good morning, traders. Once again, welcome to MST School of Trading, third video of the same day. So now I will show you the example from crude oil. So in the last video, we have explained about night market trading. Now I show you about the noon market trading. So initially what you have to do, go here and do reset settings. Then if you want to trade in the afternoon, go here, then select the noon market and just keep it as such. Now you see what happened in the market. So exactly it has come down to our buy entry. See the low. What is the low? Low was 6633 and our buy entry was 6633. And it has reached up to our sell entry. Again it has fallen from there exactly to all our targets. Okay. Now since it is the zone, it is not closed below that zone. Again it has shooted up and we have got the all the targets. Once again it has breached our sell entry, then it has given the targets. Again it went up and it has given the retracement. Again it has given the target. So this is called as noon market trading, afternoon trading. Okay, it is very simple. Just go here and change the settings to noon market and wait for the entry. If it is buy entry, be in buy entry, book the target and exit. If you got the sell entry, book the target and exit. If you got again buy entry, don't forget to keep the stop loss and trade. Also for sell entry, how to follow the same thing. It is very simple. So hope it is clear. Thank you all for watching our video.